Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer apps from Android to Android smartphone via Bluetooth on any Android phone. Now for this video, I will transfer an app from this smartphone to this smartphone. For that, just open the Play Store on the sender Android smartphone and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now just tap on OK, sure. Now just go to download and tap on create a new folder. Now just give a name to this folder. Now basically we will create a folder in which we will save the APKs of the apps which we want to send. Now I will name the folder APK extractor, but you can name the folder whatever you want. Now once you create the folder, just tap on use this folder. Now just tap on allow, and from here just select the app which you want to send. Now for an example, I will select this app, and from here just select extract app. Now just tap on save. Now once you do that, just open the files app on your smartphone, then go to downloads. Now just open the APK extractor file. Now as you can see, this is the file which we want to send. Now first of all, just make sure that you have enabled Bluetooth on both of these devices. Now let's open the quick settings. Now just make sure that you have enabled Bluetooth. Now on your other Android device, just open the quick settings and make sure that you have enabled Bluetooth. Now as you can see, it has detected the name of the other Android device. Just tap on the name of the other Android device to connect both of these smartphones. Now just tap on pair. Now after that, just tap and hold on the app which you want to send. Then tap on the share icon. And from here select Bluetooth. Then tap on the name of the other Android device. Now just tap on this notification, and as you can see, accept incoming file. Now just select accept. Now it will take a few seconds to a few minutes to download the app which we have sent. Now as you can see, the file has been shared successfully. Now just open the file on the receiver smartphone, then go to downloads. Now as you can see, this is the file which we have sent. Just tap on it and select install. Now as you can see, the app is installed. Now just tap on open, select allow, and enable this toggle. Now just go back. Now as you can see, this is how you can transfer apps from Android to Android phone via Bluetooth on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.